Hello, welcome back again on my new video. This video topic about my company other coffee shop, Sigma Cafe. Already I make about that coffee shop two video part one, part two. If you still not watch, so you can watch from description, and you can watch a card. So let's enjoy video.
light me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer, now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a wave, the twilight, my only, my bestie. You come into my life, let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love, ooh. Somebody else, and that is you, ooh. Falling in with you, not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got a dream like a slim night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you, but tomorrow is slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a wave, the twilight, my only, my bestie. You come into my life, let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if
So guys, hope you like my video. So please, if you like my video, so please like, and if you new here, so please subscribe my channel. So see you next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.